beautiful people, it's my birthday! Yeah. On this day, March 9th, 33 years ago, a star was born. Yours truly, Rickey Jones Jr. was born on this here green earth in Augusta, Georgia, if I was to be exact. However, I want to say thank you all for rocking with me. Yes, I am 33 years old, and I'm enjoying it, right? I'm enjoying this journey of gardening with you all. Now, what I do want to say is, yes, I do have Cashapp. Yes, I do have Zelle. Yes, you can give by way of like Amazon. There's like a wish list on Amazon if like that is your thing. I am one to like prefer to give people actual things as opposed to giving them money. However, I do have Cashapp. Like I said, I do have Zelle, dropping all those bad boys. I do have Amazon wish list for you. Now, something that I do love to do, which on this channel is all about giving value, doing different things, trying different things, and experiencing different things with you all. What I want to do is on the Garden With Me website, I do give virtual consultations, okay? And so for, how long do you want to do this? For a week? I don't know. For the rest of the week. I don't know, let's say from today until Sunday, you will have the opportunity to get a virtual consultation for 33% off, okay? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this week from Wednesday today until Sunday that day, you all be able to get 33% off of your virtual consultation, okay? So all you have to do is like book a date in which we will do our consultation, and yeah, we'll go and flow from there. 33% off. The price is on the website, gardenwithmellc.com, and yeah, let's go ahead and do some gardening together, great people. I'm excited to see in all your gardening and the different things that you are doing, as well as talk about and give suggestions on how you can do what you're desiring to do or do what you're currently doing better. And it could be a number of reasons why. We'll talk about those things pertaining to your unique situation. Everybody's garden is different, okay? You can have a raised bed, you can have grow bags, you can have 5-gallon buckets. Whatever your situation is, I want to be here for you, okay? So like I said, go on the website, schedule your consultation, and we'll go and flow and grow from there, okay? Or like I said, Cashapp, Zelle, Amazon is the way as well that you can give on this day. Man, I appreciate you all. Literally, man, I go through the comments. Honestly, as you see, I don't comment like I used to back to everything, but I do see everything, and I appreciate everybody, even if it's taken up for me, giving suggestions, asking questions, other people saying things to other people, you know, positive things, right? I see it all, and I appreciate you all. I rock with you to the fullest, and I'm excited to see and to know how far we can grow on this channel and together again as well. If like giving is not like something that you want to do, please subscribe and tell other people to subscribe, because we are looking to get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2022, and we can do it with you. We can even do it today if we wanted to, but nonetheless, hey, I appreciate you all. I thank you all, man. Keep gardening, keep growing, keep living. And as y'all know, hey, on my birthday, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be out here in the garden. Yeah, I have some things to clean up, some things to get ready, because it is spring coming around the time. And so I just had to make sure everything is looking right and looking nice, because I want my garden to look nice, okay? All right, great people. So as y'all know, more videos will be coming up starting on Friday. However, I want to see what you have going on in your garden. So schedule your own virtual consultation. And so at the end of the day, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Happy living, happy gardening, which will lead to a happy belly. And remember, you don't have to garden alone. You can always garden with me. Love you. Peace.